Tim Hortons sold a mug that cracks open when you pour hot coffee into it. As logged in the Health Canada recall database, Health Canada officially recalled the product after over 25,000 were sold across Canada in just over 1 month. And one person already sustained a burn injury. This is the Tim Hortons pink and white color-changing donut mug. It sounds cute and looks adorable, but it falls apart the second you use it for the one thing it was designed to do. You need to know if you own one of these items. If you want to know when the products you buy are actually dangerous, subscribe to the channel. We will continue covering these important product safety updates. The pitch featured a 16-ounce white ceramic mug with a pink handle and a pink interior. On the front and back sits a chocolate donut decal. Pour something hot inside, and the donut changes color to reveal one of 4 designs, including vanilla dip, honey cruller, maple butter glaze, or honey dip. It was a novelty item you grab on impulse at the counter or order from timshop.ca because it looks fun. Tim Hortons sold these starting January 2026 right through February. People bought them as gifts for their kids and brought them to work because the Tim Hortons name means something in Canada. With decades of coffee and billions of cups served, according to corporate statistics, they built up trust over the years. Customers assume a product carrying that name has been tested before it reaches their hands. But that assumption turned out to be wrong. You pour hot liquid into the mug and the ceramic breaks. Health Canada's official recall notice states directly that the mug can crack or break when filled with hot liquid, creating a serious burn risk. This is not a minor cosmetic defect or a rare edge case, but rather a structural failure triggered by the exact scenario the product exists for. While ceramics can be fragile, this is a drink vessel rather than a display piece. Its single function is holding a hot drink without shattering in your hands. Anbo Home Goods manufactured this in China, and Tim Hortons put it on shelves and online in January 2026. Nobody stopped it before it reached customers or flagged the failure point during production, allowing it to go straight to the counter. As of March 10, 2026, Tim Hortons had documented 28 separate reports of these mugs cracking or breaking during normal use. From roughly 25,040 units sold, that means more than 1 in every 1,000 mugs failed when someone tried to make their morning coffee. One person already sustained a real burn injury while holding the mug and watching it split open. Most people do not contact Health Canada when something breaks, meaning they just clean it up and move on with their day. The 28 documented reports almost certainly cover only a fraction of the mugs that actually failed. The documented paper trail is concerning, and the real number of broken mugs is likely higher. As detailed in the Health Canada and Tim Hortons recall notice, the company had this information before the public did. Anbo Home Goods is the company based in China that manufactured this mug. Manufacturing overseas is completely normal, and many of those products are safe. But Health Canada reported 28 breakage incidents and a burn injury before this item was pulled from shelves. The question of quality control becomes central to the issue, raising concerns about thermal stress testing and temperature validation. Ceramic mugs built for hot beverages normally go through heat stress testing before they get approved for sale. This mug either failed that test or the test was never run with enough rigor. Tim Hortons put their name on the product, and customers picked it up because they trusted the brand on the label rather than independently verifying the structural integrity of the ceramic. Tim Hortons started selling this mug in January 2026, and the item kept moving online at timshop.ca and at restaurant counters nationwide throughout February. Reports started coming in about cracking ceramic, spilled hot drinks, and a burn injury. Yet, the recall did not arrive until March 2026. This allowed 2 full months of active sales where reports were building and the product kept reaching new customers. Over 25,000 units went into Canadian kitchens, offices, break rooms, and gift bags. The company marketed this as a fun collectible tied to their brand, but it breaks when filled with boiling water. The timeline shows 2 months where customers unknowingly carried home a product Health Canada would eventually classify as a burn hazard. This 2-month window allowed people to get hurt while the mug stayed on the counter. Tim Hortons is not a small operation scrambling with limited resources, but rather one of the most recognized fast food chains serving millions of customers every year. They placed a ceramic mug on shelves in January 2026 that a manufacturer had not engineered to safely hold hot liquid. A coffee company sold a coffee mug that cracks when coffee goes in it, and it took 28 breakage reports and 1 burn victim for the recall to happen. You were protected only after the reports accumulated, showing that the threshold for pulling a product off Canadian shelves requires significant documentation of failure. Relying on accumulated injury reports is a reactive paper trail system rather than a proactive safety system. If you own this mug, stop using it immediately, set it somewhere safe, and do not put any hot liquid near it. Health Canada instructs consumers to return the item to any Tim Hortons restaurant location for a full refund. You are encouraged to do so by April 22, 2026, though returns will still be accepted after that date. You do not need the original packaging or a receipt to process the return. Just bring the mug to the counter and inform the staff it is the recalled, color-changing donut mug. The recalled item features a white ceramic body, a pink handle, a pink interior, and chocolate donut decals on the front and back that change color when heated. If that description matches your mug, get it out of your kitchen before someone uses it unknowingly. Share this information with neighbors or coworkers who might also own one. It took 28 total incidents and 1 burn injury before this coffee company pulled their defective coffee mug. That is the entire story, and none of it should have happened since the brand name was supposed to represent tested quality. Keep your eyes open as other branded products have moved too fast and skipped proper safety checks. If this information reached you before the mug reached your hands, pass it on to others. Subscribe to the channel to keep seeing important consumer safety stories get the attention they deserve.